Hi, my name is Eunji Lee. I'm Executive Pastry Chef at Jungsik restaurant. When I was young, my parents, they really love art and they brought me a lot of galleries. So I grew up with a lot of arts and then paints. So maybe that's why it influenced me to make a beautiful dessert. The look is really, really important because it's the first thing that you see and you can feel your reaction. Because when I want to make the baby banana, I want to make a banana shape because I thought it was really cute. It's good because it looks beautiful and then it tastes good. So it's perfect. I grown up from Korea and then after that I moved to France to learn for pastry and then bakery. And then after that I moved to New York. So I have 3 different identities, Korean and then French and also acclimated to New York City. That's why I make the New York sour dessert because I use the Paris-Brest, is the French pastry, brown ice cream from Korea, and pecan and caramel, and the dough is from American style. I like to make everything in-house to respect the pastry and the basic things and also to be authentic and honest. If I didn't become a pastry chef, I want to be a foodie. Eating good things makes me happy. It makes me out of stress. That's why eating delicious and good things is really important to me. And then when I saw the people eating my dessert, they look really happy. It makes me happy, and then that's why I'm trying to make like all the people happier and happier in this life, kind of survival life. If I can make them happy, I'm really happy. So that's why I really love my job.